That's my entry. Okay, you can see entry, sell, and you can see notification upward, right? Okay, I think I'm just gonna do one trade. Okay, just gonna do one trade and show you. So I may have to pause. I don't want this to, I want this to be just 1 minute. So I'll pause. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, trade has been won. Okay, trade has been won. You can see the profit margin is just like 6% plus. Usually I like to wait until the profit margin can give about, I didn't even check, about 7%. So the market is still liable to move that much. Now, on the Signal's service, you will have seen all the trades that were done by the Signal. Okay, this Signal today, these are all the trades. Today is 2nd, right? Okay, you can see all the trades were won. If you're wondering, the time right now is, what's the time right now? 12:55. Okay, the one I did just about 2 minutes ago. So that's 12:52. You can see it was 1. Okay, the one before then was also 1. So the Signal is very, very accurate. Let me see if I can do one more. All right, just one more. Okay, the reason I'm doing two trade is because normally you can see notification of the Signal. Normally I should just do one. If it's close to 7, 8, or 10%, I'll just do one trade and I'm okay. But because it's 6%, it's less than 6.5%. That's why I'm doing 2 trades. So usually I'm okay with one or 2 trades highest. That's all. So I'll be back when it is done. Okay, trade has been won. So that's how easy and how fast it is. You can make, let's say this is about 12%, okay? That's about 12% today. So I've made 12% today, slow and steady. The account continue to grow just like that, till you will be able to use one single trade to make like $10. So that's the projection, that's the plan. But you see, my Signal is available with as low as 1,000 naira. You can subscribe for a week. Test run it on a demo account for a week. When you make over 50% of your set target, that's doing 2 trades per day. Once you make over 50%, then you can now graduate into using real money for as low as $1, $2. Do it for another 1 week. When you make profit, that's when, until you make profit, you don't scale. So if you're seeing me trading with small amount, it's not because I cannot afford to trade with big amount, but because I need to be consistent with my earning. I want to make money from deriv, not dash deriv money. So you can also do the same. It's safer that way. So God bless you. I'll see you in another video.